Hey, and welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a painkiller. Now, the painkiller, as you might guess, stems from origins of really helping people that are in pain. So traditionally, this drink would be served with a Navy strength or an overproofed rum. And then, of course, they would take it a whole nother level, and depending on how much pain, they'd give you 2 ounces, 3 ounces, 4 ounces. Now, the point was just to get messed up, right? So this is actually a very, very delicious drink. I'm not gonna use any overpriced rum. However, I'm going to add a little extra rum just for nostalgic sake. And I'm actually gonna use plantation rum for this one. All right, so for the ingredients in the painkiller, firstly, you need a rum. I would recommend some sort of aged rum. I'm gonna go with plantation. It's one of my favorite. It works so very well in this drink. And nextly, we need a cream of coconut. Now, it's really crucial that you get the Coco Lopez brand of cream of coconut. It's the best. It's actually really delicious. It's so popular in this drink and in pina coladas that I actually find mine in the liquor section at the grocery store. So lastly, we need some fresh pineapple juice, some fresh orange juice, and then last, we're also going to garnish with some fresh ground nutmeg. All right, so in order to build out this drink, we're gonna go ahead and start adding ingredients into our pint glass. And first, we're gonna start with let's make it 2.5 ounces of rum. All right, next we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. And then we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of our cream of coconut. Next, we're gonna add ice to our pint glass and give it a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. All right, next we're gonna grab a double rocks glass here and go ahead and fill that up with ice. And go ahead and strain your drink into the glass. All right, lastly, we're gonna add some pineapple fronds here for a garnish. Then we're gonna grab our microplaner and we're just gonna shave on some fresh ground nutmeg. And there you have it, the painkiller. Yeah. Okay, so as far as creamy, vacation-y drinks, this has got to be one of my favorites. Just the way the pineapple, the orange juice, the spiced aged rum in there, and then of course that cream of coconut just brings it all together. It just reminds you of vacation. And then you got that fresh ground nutmeg on top to kind of give it a little bit of a spice and a little herbal essence as well. It is such a delicious, delicious drink. And we did put some extra booze in this one, so it will relieve any pain you might have during some weird times right now. So there you are, the painkiller. Hey, if you enjoyed the painkiller, make sure you remember to give us a thumbs up And comment down below if you've ever had this cocktail. It's actually one of my favorites, but surprisingly, I rarely see people out drinking it. So if you have any experience with this drink, let us know in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe for future videos with delicious recipes just like this one. My name is AJ with Cocktail Cards, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.